Hi, it's Joe Wiessner, Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day, Hammonton, New Jersey. This is 426 Bella Vita Court. I have this gorgeous home. Looks like a big ranch, and it is, but it also has a lower level that's finished off that's absolutely incredible. On the cul-de-sac, curb, sidewalk, public water, public sewer. Let's walk and talk and I'll tell you all about it. This home on paper has about 2,500 square feet above grade, but it doesn't account for the finished space below grade. So you have a full walkout, family room down there and bedroom, and you have a huge bullpen area that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to call it about 3,300 square feet, but don't hold me to that number. It's all dependent on how appraisers look at it, this and that. But it's really beautiful finished square foot down there that I'm going to show you shortly. So you walk into this grand foyer and it's anchored here. This could be a studio, or whatever you want it to be. Little sitting area, put a TV in here. It's framed by the gorgeous columns. Same thing on this side, framed by the columns. And you have this ceiling with the beautiful crown molding, undermount lights, beautiful detail in the ceiling, makes it a coffered ceiling, outstanding. There's a half bath off of the hallway, which we'll catch shortly. Come this way with me. You have this open kitchen, beautiful white cabinetry, 42-inch cabinets here, 9-foot ceilings in here, and in the dining room and foyer and in the great room, those ceilings go 11 feet plus. Absolutely stunning. Have this lovely area for table and chairs. You have a patio, elevated deck, and it oversees all the backyard, fully fenced. You have this lovely island in the kitchen. Let's get the kitchen from this angle again. Incredible. Come into the great room. It's got the vaulted ceiling, and it's got 5.1 surround sound here in this room, and there's even more down on the lower level, which I'll show you shortly. Fireplace overlooks the backyard. You have windows to the south. Perfect. Coming this way, we have the master bedroom on this side, and all told, there's the master and 3 other bedrooms on the first floor, and then on the lower level, there's another bedroom with a full bath down there. You have the tray ceiling, more windows, and you have a movie star, rock star closet. All the professional shelving, drawers, real nice. Check out this bathroom. This does not disappoint either. You have a huge area, crown moldings. You have the granite countertops, double vanity sink, furniture grade, built-ins, phenomenal. And then you have a roll-in shower here and lovely, lovely custom tile work. Outstanding. This first floor is equipped with built-in speakers, and there's 4 rooms that give you unbelievable sound with their own independent sound controllers. So this property is wired for sound, and that's one of the favorite things that I appreciate about this property. We're going to check out the backyard and the elevated deck momentarily, but now let's see the 3 bedrooms on this side. Got your laundry room, the garage. So this property is handicapped accessible. You have 2 of these Servivia lifts. You have one here in the garage, and then you have another one off of the patio that'll get you out to the backyard. So anybody that needs that kind of service, this property provides it. So coming off the 2-car garage and the laundry room, you have 3 bedrooms. This one is currently being used as a home office. Crown molding, 9-foot ceilings. You have a full bath with a soaking tub. This is a lovely room that overlooks the backyard. We'll call this one bedroom number 3. And then you have this nice space here and overlooks the backyard. You have curved walkways and it's all fenced in, holly trees, and you got maple, some really nice plantings out there. Of course, they all have big closets as well. Let's head to the outdoors and check it out. You got double doors to your patio, and check this space out. You feel like you're way up in the air here because of the elevated nature of the walkout of this property. And it's got public water, but it also has its own private well in the back that you could use for irrigation. So it's fully fenced, the whole yard, perfect for privacy, perfect for your kids and pets. You walk down this way and you can see there's another lift. So I'm coming down your composite steps and you can get a full appreciation of this corner lot. This was the premium lot in the whole community. Bella Vita, there's total 12 houses. This is gonna be the highest end one here in the neighborhood. And you can see all around you, you got the fencing and you have this lovely curved walkway. And the seller tells me that there's an easement that gets you out to the carnival grounds there, which is happening right now. Today is July 14th, and the carnival just arrived in celebration of Our Lady of Mount Carmel, which is celebrated on July 16th. It's the longest running Italian festival in the world, they tell me. And it's right here, and you have access. Walk right out, and you're in the midst of all of that excitement. You have more aluminum fencing connected to the other fencing, lovely. And this is the way in to your lower level from the outside. And we're gonna re-enter on the inside and check that out. So upstairs we have close to 2,500 square feet. And then downstairs, it's at least the footprint of the entire house. There's at least another 1,500 finished square feet down here. And I'll explain how this is set up. Let's check out this area first. So this area could be used as another living room, family room, and it's got 3 egress windows that have been recognized as the town as a way to get out. So this is all eligible for finished square footage. So this is gonna up the square footage from 2,500, it's probably another 300 square feet here. You have an exit out to the backyard, and you can see the other 2 windows here. You have a humongous closet. I mean, you kind of know what that's all about, but it's outstanding, the amount of space, and this has been permitted by the town and in good shape that way. This is the audio section, the nerve center of the house. So this operates your 5-in-1 system surround upstairs and your 7-in-1 system in this theater room, which I'll show you shortly. This is a utility area. You have all kinds of electric, 200 amps plus. You see the poured concrete walls, the silent floors, just as you'd expect in this type of build. And then here you have more storage. But this is really the showstopper down in this section. You have this incredible theater room. This is the 7-in-1 with a subwoofer. And you can see the huge screen. Imagine having the family down here. You got your own projector, everything that you need, finished professionally. Whether the appraiser is going to give you full value square footage down here, that remains to be determined. But this is professionally completed and it is permitted by the town of Hammonton. Coming back this way, you got an L-shaped bar. So imagine entertaining here. You have built-ins, you have granite countertops, you have a coffee, cappuccino, frappuccino machine here, make all your hot beverages. So here you have all these stainless steel appliances. You have a dishwasher, you have a refrigerator, and you have a bar server here. We have put the ice in there, have all your drinks, serve them up, watch the movie, popcorn machine, everything, recessed lighting. You got it all right there. Really spectacular. Coming this way, there's more. You have another storage area right in this area, just another kubi, plenty of space. And then you have another full bathroom, which services another bedroom here on the lower level. And you can see ceilings are high, 8-foot ceilings, and you have 2 egress windows and a closet, legal bedroom down here. So how does this all add up down below? You have 300 square feet there, maybe 400 square feet. You have another 200 or 300 square feet on this side that has egress. So I'm thinking a total of 800 square feet in addition to the 2,500 that you have upstairs, 3,300 square feet. But an appraiser, because this is finished so professionally, so well, they may actually use this as finished square feet, but that remains to be seen. So stick with me because this property has so many amenities. I want to go through everything. But if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Helps us in the algorithms and get it out to the world. Push the buttons as well if you want to share this to all your friends and family that might want to live in Hammonton, New Jersey and purchase one of the nicest houses ever built in Hammonton. And if you really love the content, make sure that you subscribe. I have 2,500 square feet plus or minus upstairs. I have another 800 at least of determinable square footage on the lower level, and I have another 800 square feet or so of bonus bullpen, theater, bar, finished to perfection. House has public water and public sewer, but the other benefit is that you also have a private well for your irrigation system. Of course, your irrigation is in the garage, the whole component system there. You have a 5-in-1 surround sound system upstairs, and you have a 7-in-1 surround sound system down here. And you have speakers all throughout the house, so it's wired for all those things. 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Town of Hammonton, you're within walking distance. Maybe you think not, but I think that the kids could walk right to the Hammonton Middle School, High School, and Elementary School, which are all less than a mile from this particular location. You have the Carnival Grounds, where you have the largest festival in the United States, maybe even the world, longest running Italian festival, Our Lady of Mount Carmel Feast. It's happening right now this week in Hammonton. You're in the heart of everything. There's a grocery store in Ferreras within walking distance, and you're all in the midst of the cultural exceptionalness of the town of Hammonton. All right here on this location at 426 Bella Vita Court. As always, Joe Wiessner would love for you to get into this property and make an offer, and I hope to see you at the settlement table.